So for today's craft, I am going to use sticky papers. It's okay if you do not have any sticky papers, you can use only color papers. You will find measurements on the screen. Now fold it as exactly I am doing. You will find this kind of flower making video all over the internet, but the difference is those videos are very fast forwarded, which makes children difficult to understand. Now draw petals on it and then cut it off. Now again we will make pattern on the petals. Now cut this full flower into half and join the edges by using glue. Now for the other half part, what we will do is we are going to add details by using scissors backside, and then what we will do is we are going to fold it completely. Now glue your flower on the base flower and add a stem. So by using same method, we are going to make bunch of flowers, and do not forget to make leaves. Then join all the flowers to the main stem, and that's it. Your flower bouquet is ready. So please subscribe for more such flower videos.